Rajasthan High Court reserves its order on the rebel MLAs plea on the disqualification notice that was served to them. So the plea challenging the disqualification notice was heard by the Rajasthan High Court, but the High Court has reserved its order on the plea. Meenakshi Banja joining me on the phone line. Meenakshi, of course, now we are at a juncture where the court has to come out with a clear verdict on this, and a lot is riding on this, especially for Sachin Pilot. If you can bring us up to speed with the developments that have taken place in court and what is the next step or procedure to follow from here.
Afrida, this is a high-stake political matter which is obviously playing out legally for the past at least 3 days that we have seen, and we have seen some very, very surcharged arguments being advanced by Sachin Pilot, 18 MLAs camp, and also the Congress's side, the Speaker in particular, the Chief Whip of the party in the Legislative Assembly. And like you rightly mentioned, just a short while back, the Rajasthan High Court Division Bench has gone ahead and reserved its verdict on this particular petition filed by Sachin Pilot and the 18 MLAs, which is challenging the constitutional validity of the parent powers of the Speaker and also the Speaker's notice. Now, interestingly, remember, today, 5:30 p.m. was the time that the Speaker voluntarily had offered to not take any action on his notice and its aftermath, given the fact that the matter was pending and being argued in the Rajasthan High Court. So, like you rightly mentioned, yes, that 5:30 p.m. deadline is there on the horizon, and the High Court, by all means, is expected to come out with some sort of an operative version of its orders, while the final orders can be awaited at a later point in time. But the High Court is expected to speak something on the issue on or before 5:30 p.m. today.
Okay, so we'll watch out for that, Meenakshi. It'll be interesting to see what comes out of the Rajasthan High Court. You're telling us that something major likely to be announced before 5:30 p.m. That's a strong likelihood, Meenakshi is pointing out. Thanks for joining us.